Whoa! What the just happened?
Panic everywhere.
In this video, I'll tell you exactly what to expect, exactly what to do, and reveal the opportunity that no one is talking about. And we're gonna do it all right now. What is going on, and welcome back. It's shaping up to be one of those weeks again. But this week feels different than many of the down weeks we've had lately. And I wanted to address the panic head on and tell my subscribers and anyone else out there what you can expect to see, what exactly I'm doing, and the opportunity the vast majority of people are going to miss. And if you're not a subscriber, please do so right now and hit the little notifications bell as well so you get the latest information right here on this channel. Or just subscribe because all the cool kids are doing it. Hey, I think my subscribers are cool. I was never the cool kid back then. Still probably not cool now. So let's just take a look at the latest developments real quick. Oil tanking. I have no idea why the Saudis wanted to start a price war. It just doesn't make sense. And of course, that sent an already jittery market down and basically into full-on panic mode. And the markets are tripping the breakers. For those of you that don't know, the stock market has breakers that trip and it halts trading so everyone can breathe, assess, and hopefully cooler heads prevail. I personally think it also buys time for policymakers to gather intel and potentially make moves to help support the market. So basically a timeout for investors, kind of like kids. Now after all this negativity, we need something positive. So please smash that like button. It will make you feel better. I promise. I think you're going to see 4 things this week. Number 1, you're going to see more wild swings. Worst day ever, followed by the best day ever. Just like that crazy ex-girlfriend. Yeah, that's right, I said crazy. Number 2, you're gonna see a lot of emotional selling at levels we really haven't seen since 2008. Number 3, you're gonna see the media pushing the meltdown and panic narrative. Hey, it gets clicks. It gets eyeballs on TVs. And number 4, you're gonna see some form of government intervention or Fed intervention. So what am I doing? All right, there's this great scene in a movie. I don't remember which movie, whether it was The Big Short or Panic, The Untold Story on HBO. It was a documentary they had, I'm not sure, I can't remember which one. But it shows Warren Buffett eating ice cream at like Dairy Queen or somewhere like that with his grandkids as bankers and the Fed are frantically trying to get a hold of him as the entire market melts down. He wasn't in his office panicking, he was out enjoying his life, and he knew opportunity was right around the corner. Emotions did not dictate his trading then, and we need to have that same mentality. So I'm doing exactly what I'm sure Warren's doing right now. Nothing. Well, not exactly nothing, but while everyone else is busy panicking and guessing, I am assessing what stocks I want to buy and creating a price point and game plan of when I will start to buy in again. If you guys want to know exactly what stocks are on my hit list, comment down below and let me know so I can do a video on that. So what is the opportunity everyone is missing? When a store has a sale, you better get there quick so you can get your hands on what you want before they're all sold out. And it seems like people trade on that premise. But stocks are always available, especially if you have the Webull app. But we could be on the verge of a historic buying opportunity. But why is no one saying that? If everyone thought like that, we would all be rich. But we all know most people were not touching stocks after the 2008 financial crisis. I was told I'm crazy to buy stocks in real estate. And after the run-up of the stock market for the past year, stocks have become something everybody should start investing in. To which I've been saying, I just sold most of mine and I'm just waiting. Again, I'm crazy. Now my guess is some of those same people who called me crazy bought at the top and now they're riding that wave down. They're gonna sell at a loss and they're never gonna invest in stocks again. They're just gonna swear them off as something stupid and only idiots invest in it. But now is the perfect time to start watching and to eventually get in. This is where fortunes are made, which means this is the exact time everyone else will get out and swear off stocks forever. But my subscribers are smarter than that. And remember to subscribe to be in that group. So comment down below, guys, with what your strategy is, what stocks you're looking at buying, and at what sales price you will pull the trigger at. So with that, I'll go ahead and end the video here. Please go ahead and subscribe, hit that little notifications bell, and if you're feeling super duper generous and you need some positivity in your life, go ahead and smash that like button as well. Thanks.